Cars. It's great conditions.
Cars and stuff.
Cars and stuff. See how slippery it is here.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Good video.
I can turn. It's a red light.
No, you can't.
Oh
Look.
yeah. Never mind. It's separate.
See, I'm not.
I just can't see nothing out this window. That scared the crap out of that Dodge.
That's why it's going so slow.
I wish I could spin the tires.
Wow, it's so icy.
Wow. Is this in here?
I don't know where it is, honestly.
I think it's in here.
I'm just going my own ways.
Trailblazing.
It's great drifting weather. Too bad the guys didn't go to me. There it is. There's Squinty Eye Juniors. Are they open? Is the drive-thru open?
Let's not go through the drive-thru because we've never been
That's
here.
true. That's a good idea. Carl Jackson's. The front, in the middle of it.
Oh, no, that's just the first obstacle.
Whoa! I'm still really crappy on drifting.
Yeah, no kidding.
Just doing a Spruce Grove patrol. Let's see here.
Busted.
It's just hard to do because there's half grip. There's half Jerusalem grip. I don't know. Come on. There's no... You can't continue it. Because it's being a bastard. Boston FISA is opened.
Ooh, look at that old Ford.
Cool. Wow. That's a Chev.
That's a Chev.
Bitch.
Okay, never mind.
You got served.
No, I'm kidding. Those are nice trucks.
They're beautiful.
That's the round light stuff.
We're in the drone zone. I'm just going to check what the signals are before we continue our quest. Make it icy for people.
Good idea.
So it's entertaining. Okay, we have one coming through. There's a light screen over there.
Okay, Quest. Oh, I thought you were gonna actually.
Well, I would if I
do a real camper.
mud questing. I would have if.
Oh,
That's extremely polished.
we got a Quest on the side.
This is extreme polished. See? Just glide mastering. It's getting foggy though. Oh moguls, it's getting foggy, yo! It's getting foggy, yo. You can't even see the snow in the video.
No, but it's a blizzard. What the video sees is what we see. Just the road where the headlights are. Oh,
Well
I
said.
see lights. Looks like
We're getting
coming
closer
up
to
on the
Spruce
highway.
Grove. I think we're getting closer to Spruce Grove. It's getting lit.
Blizzard.
That was fun back there though, where it was really nothing.
Yeah. I don't need to sit up because I can look at the phone and I can see exactly what's going on. I can see the curb, I can see everything that you were talking about.
That's funny. I want to be able to see the hood in the video. Oops, that way you can tell if you're drifting or not. Is that good? It's not. It's focusing.
Once again, one of these lights.
Oh, did you feel that?
Yeah. It'll focus once those lights
There.
are on.
Got it. The roads are very slick. It's funny when you slid, it was like it was a robot welcoming you. Right, we have none. Come on, go green.
I'm trying to use all these effing Spruce Grove lights, hey? There's so many.
I know, all it is light. So slippery. That was so slow motion. I can't even fucking straighten out. That was awesome. They haven't even put any sand. Sandmaster. Look how icy it is. It's treacherous.